hi guys, we're gonna unbox this
What's that?
Barbie color reveal, but we have a visitor first. It's Tita Alexa.
I'm just
Show
gonna
your
help-
face.
Hi. I'm just gonna help
So
her
let
open the box.
us
I just
start.
stay here at the side.
Oh no! Okay.
Okay. You can do that. Wow.
Let's unbox this all.
Okay. Give me all of this. Okay, get it proper.
We need.
Okay, I'll read it. So
We
we'll
need. So this is the checklist. So there is a sheep, there's a panda, there's a
Is
unicorn.
this a hot water?
Yeah, we need maybe hot water.
No. So we need. I'll read it.
I want to unbox this accessory.
There's no even.
Tita, would you help me unbox this?
Okay, so you can collect these 5 of them. Oh, don't do that.
Let's unbox these surprises first. Oh, I did my out. So this is
There.
two. Think I'm getting the purple one, right?
Is this a hot water or a cold water? I think it's a.
I am getting the purple one. Everybody, I'm getting the purple one.
Okay, I think it's a hot water. It's hot water, right? Right?
Me.
Right?
Oh, I opened mine. Oh!
Warm water. Okay, warm water.
Ooh, soap. Just wait for a moment. I opened all the surprises. Ah, I cannot open this. I should open this. Ah, I need help. Like a and like a mountain. Okay, we got the Barbie doll. Let's put her hair muna.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
So here's the warm water. Should put her in. Put her in. Just put her in.
Yay!
And just.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Oh no!
Stop again. So this is
Camera techniques. Okay, there. You should you like shake her or no? No. There's water everywhere. Did you open all of it already?
yeah.
Oh, I like her hair.
We're
should
gonna
do
get
this
the
one.
Yeah, we're gonna get the Nama girl. It's a polka girl.
So you just wait for her to like.
When is this hair gonna start?
Should wait. Nee, don't do that.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
hindi pa siya.
No,
ano.
the hair you'll just do this.
Oh, okay.
Just the skin.
Can you talk about that?
Ew.
Hey, nee. Just put it there.
And we need the scrubby. Scrubby dog. So you just need to do. Oh. I think we need hot and cold. You
don't need hot and cold. You just need warm water. Hot and cold comes. Okay.
I'm done.
Just put her here. There.
Okay.
Nee.
Okay. So this is the Barbie we're gonna get.
Oh, she's
Oh,
really
she looks
wet.
like she looks like strawberry milk maker.
Yeah, some kind of that. Okay, now,
Now
clean
just-
her. My hands.
Can I just clean her with the face? Oh. It's straight.
No, not that.
Dip, dip, dip. Oh. I think warm water is not even working. It's a little bit working.
Yeah, I should clean it like that.
Daddy!
I think she needs more time in water.
Daddy!
Needs help. Okay, so I'll just clean her up, clean her up, clean her up, fast as I can. Okay, and she's still dirty.
Are you done?
Not yet. As you can see, it's really hard to take it off.
Let's just put the hair.
But her hair has still like that pink.
It's just a wig.
Yeah, it's just a wig. I know it's a wig. We need to mix the water with her head.
What? That doesn't work.
You need to melt that pink thing down. What's that pink thing even?
Like here. So you put it in hot water.
It's warm.
Wait, okay. How about this one and this one? You go with cold water.
Later.
Cold
You need cold water
water.
later.
That's not for the hair. You need cold water right now.
We don't have cold water.
Just get some ice.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, then let's go to the bathroom. And I'll clean her up.
And then I'm just gonna see Tita what's doing. So guys, I'm back. Tita Alexa is getting something while we look at the instructions. Come on. Get some water and then get some water and some pieces. Chopang now.
Can you trace this letter? A. Trace this letter. B.
Tita Alexa, are you really done it now?
Trace this letter.
Ears don't need.
Trace this letter. E. Can you trace this letter? Trace this letter. G.
And dry her up.
And I just need cold
Trace this
water.
letter.
You don't need cold water.
Come on, listen
You
to the
don't have ice.
instruction.
Ice is still making, still watering. So that means you still don't have ice.
Aw.
Just dress her up.
Can you trace this letter? J.
Come on. We need to get her hair right now.
You don't have ice, so just put the hair already.
It doesn't work.
Just do it right. Do it carefully. How can you do that like that?
You don't need that.
Trace this letter. A.
Ta-da! Huh.
Trace
You
this
didn't
letter.
even color her, change her hair. It's still pink. She looks so beautiful now.
Try again.
It's not pink.
It's pink though.
It's purple. And blue.
But it's just pink. But her wig is just still pink.
This letter. C.
But we just need some eyes to complete this.
Just do
Can
it
you trace
tomorrow.
this letter? D.
No, let's try again.
D.
Let's get some eyes done.
We don't have eyes.
Babe, we got a little bit some
Put it
cold
here.
water. Okay.
Not there. Sit down.
Okay. Not even
Careful.
working.
G.
It's a little
You need
bit
to
working.
put that, and then you need to put it like that and then scrub it.
H.
Squeeze it and then scrub it.
Can you trace this letter?
In her ears.
It's not even
Can you
working.
trace this letter? J.
It's just a little bit. No, not her other body. It's her hair.
K.
Wala na ano yung hair niya She has no more in the hair. Her hair is just like pink. That's why.
But it says here, there's,
Airplane.
This what?
Flock.
let's try again.
Donkey.
It's not nga,
Frog. Giraffe. H. J. Jellyfish. K.
Your hair is like pink.
K. J. I. H. G. F. E. D. C. B. A.
Tita, I think you need to go with the face.
D.
Face,
F.
face, go in the face, go in the face.
There's no more in the face.
K.
But you have lipstick.
I. H.
We need the cold water.
She has lipstick.
Then get ice downstairs. Just 1 cube of ice.
I think we just need to tap on this.
Just get 1 cube of ice.
Okay.
Run.
So,
Well, what's happening now?
she's getting a little bit of highlight. I want to do. Can I do it, please?
Where's it going now?
The bubble has rolled out of the bedroom, down the stairs,
What?
hallway, and into
You
the
can
front.
play with your hands.
The whole house is a marble run. It's bouncing everywhere.
So I think that's it.
Got you.
What was all that noise? It was the noise of the biggest marble run ever.
That's it. That's the only thing.
I found. It was just like that.
Yeah, it was like that only.
Richard, you've knocked my house down. Please play something not bouncy.
Stay in the toy basket.
Squeeze it.
Volcano. Richard is using toy trees to make a jungle.
Done.
George is using the building blocks to make a river.
Done. Why don't you do? Okay, there.
Ta-da! This is all. Let's just put that here. But wait for a second.
There. Okay, so
Why is it like that again?
because it's color changing. Rubber fashioning.
Hello.
Show them. Okay, what would you name your doll? I think it's more better if let's call her Anastasia.
Yeah. My name is Anastasia.
Would you like to be my friend?
Would you like to be my friend?
Why are you copying me?
Why are you copying me?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Fashion model.
Toot, 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 toot. We look crazy.
Toot, 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 toot,
Are we gonna put this in the trash can?
No.
Okay.
So the winner is
Because
Anastasia.
there's only one doll.
Yay.
Outro.
Let's dance, daddy, 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 no! Dancey, 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 yeah. Dancey, 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 yeah. Dancey, dancey, dancey. Hey, stop it, Tita. Stop.
Sandstorm all over your head.
I think I
We like change. Ooh.
dancey,
A
dancey,
more
dancey,
warmer
dancey, dancey. Love my shoes, being
Hey. Just making some mess.
Dancey, 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 fancy.
Funny mirrors. Really? Wobbly mirrors. In a tent. Where are these?
Bouncy, 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 bouncy! Bouncy! So, my name is Anastasia. I'm 18 years old. I go to high school. And I love my
High school?
dress.
Or college.
College.
That's what I thought.
Look at this!
What's that even?
That's her blouse.
Swimsuit blouse?
No, blouse. This is a blouse.
Okay.
That's her swimsuit. This is her swimsuit. The swimsuit competition. So I am a model star. La 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 la. Okay. Like and subscribe and don't forget to do watch my videos every day. Bye.
So, turn on the post notification bell. Goodbye.